Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Can you guess this month's theme? If you, they're all various colors of green. So I've got I ended up with a lot of green kits. So for the month of March, we're gonna go with green, whether it's St. Patty's Day or spring. So the first thing I have is a small kit. I got the 1407, their St. Patty's Day spring kit. So I got the Tria V6 with the cute little gnome. I love gnomes. I'm going to be using the Simply Gilded March, or excuse me, it was January box for that came for the March with the greens and the luck and all that stuff. Then these are the papers that came in the 1407. I got the half sheet size. I'll probably be putting those in my bullet journal. What sold me was this cute little guy right here. And then, the back side, of course. Let's see, that's the kit. So I've got some freebies green, and then I got a green kit a luck kit from Sammy Lynn Planning. I think I ordered this way back in January. Then I have another kit from DEK Design, which is very similar art to the kit from MP Designs Co., but this is foiled, and this is a double box. And the washi and everything is quite different, so I think they're different enough that I'm going to be able to use them both, maybe. These are some cute little die-cut gnome guys that'll go in my bullet journal. And then 14, it's even got a 4-leaf clover planner charm, as well as some journaling cards and a pocket. And then I pulled out all of the green washi that I could find in my washi collection. So I've got Simply Gilded washi, I've got 1407 washi, I've got washi from Michael's and Joann's, and those were for something else. So, not sure. I think that came with the Michael's and Joann's. And I apologize, the dog has lost her mind and is enjoying herself very much playing with toys because I'm talking to myself again. Alright, and then we have the MP Design Co. kit called Irish Luck, which is more of a hatch and not actually foiled. So I'm going to be able to use them both. And then we've got the Imagine That by Laurie kit with the gnome. So I've got a lot of weeks and a lot of washi, so I should be able to come up with something creative for the month of March. So please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can see what I come up with. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you soon.